Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to sign out completely and re-log in after iOS or Apple update. First of all, open Facebook and force close it, swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away. Reopen and log in with the correct credentials. After that, go ahead and clear your cache if the login fails. Go to your settings, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, look for Facebook, click on offload app. This will free up your storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, you're going to check app updates in the app store. Go to your app store, search for Facebook, and then make sure to update it to the latest version if there is an update button available. Updating your app is very important as it fixes bugs and it will download the latest version of the app into your phone, which works more smoother. Safety tip: do not save passwords on shared devices. Quick fix: restart your iPhone if login loops. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.